Hey everybody, how ya doing out there? It is the Bookman and I will be reading Scooby-Doo, Scooby's Scary Christmas. Please enjoy. Scooby-Doo, Scooby's Scary Christmas. It is Christmas Eve. The Mystery Inc. team is going to Daffy's uncle's house. I hope we get there soon. The snow is really heavy. Run, Ron! Oh no! The bridge is out. The mystery machine skidded to a stop. The gang goes inside. They hear loud screams. Jeepers, what is that about? Creepy snowman. Like, run for your lives. The gang escapes. They find the town inn. You should leave. That was the snow monster. Don't listen to old Jed. I'm Sheriff Perkins. Where are you folks going? Mills Corner, but the bridge is out. You can stay here at my inn. Crash! There is a loud noise. The gang runs outside. How will Santa come now? The snow monster destroyed the chimney in the little boy's house. It's time to catch that snowman. They follow the snowman tracks. Zonkers, run! Back at the inn. Why does the snow monster destroy chimneys? There is a Professor Higginson. He wrote a book about the monster. The snow monster is the ghost of Blackjack Brody. He stole gold from Siemens Finnegan. Velma reads the professor's book. According to the legend, Brody froze inside a snowman. The gold was never found. The gang starts to investigate. That snowman goes to the oldest house, I bet. He'll look here next. Let's check it out. The gang peeks in the house. Jeepers! They hide. The snow monster goes inside. Fred, Daffy, and Velma throw snowballs at the monster. It runs right towards Shaggy and Scooby. Like, this is fun. Roar! The snow monster cracks the ice. Crack! I think we lost him. Roar! They are frozen like popsicles. Daffy and Velma help Scooby and Shaggy warm up. Sheriff, what are you doing here? I'm looking for the snow monster. The gang heads back to the inn. I wonder about that sheriff. What about the innkeeper? Fred picks up the professor's book. Daphne sees the author's name, William Finnegan Henniganson. He must be related to the Finnegan who lost the gold to Brody. That gives me an idea. Scooby and Shaggy, stay here. Girls, let's go. Shaggy and Scooby sit by the fire, but the fire goes out and the inn suddenly gets cold. Oh no, Scoob, he's back. Roar! Crash! Shaggy and Scooby fall into a box of Christmas lights. They run up the roof. They need to find an escape. Wow, woo! Hang on, Scooby! Run for your life! Fred's plan to melt the snowman will use heat lamps. Daphne, turn them on! Oh no, he's melting! There is a machine inside the snowman. Let's see who's inside. Velma pushes a button. The machine opens. Professor Higginson. Brody took my family's gold and hid it in a chimney. I look in all the chimneys in town, but all I find were bricks. That gives me an idea. Velma picks up a brick and wipes away the soot. The brick is made of pure gold. Now I have to go to jail. I've lost the gold again. Can we forgive him? It's Christmas. After all, I'm done. You're giving me a present? I reckon this gold is rightfully yours. That gold belongs to the whole town. It's a Merry Christmas after all. Ruby, Ruby, Roo! Oh, wasn't that a cute story? How many of you grew up watching Scooby-Doo? And how many of you still watch them? Let me know with a thumbs up if you still watch Scooby-Doo. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one and take care.